guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Tato Mavoso, and please don't mind the sty in my eye. My eye is very painful. I've got a sty, and it's not about that. I am unboxing, so let us see what I got of Take a Lot. So as you would have known, I am still doing the veganuary challenge, and I'm not sure when this video is going to go up, probably in Feb or end of Jan, I don't know. But I saw almond butter was on special on Take a Lot, so I decided to buy it. I didn't know it was gonna take this long to get my things delivered, but either way. So yeah, I've got this Eden peanut butter with cinnamon and raisin. It's quite heavy. I can tell that it's literally 100% vegan peanuts, so it does not have any additives. And yeah, you see, to show that it's 100% peanut and it doesn't have any funny stuff in it, it says natural oil separation may occur, stir before use. I will let you know how this one goes. And oh, and this was on special as well. It is the white glow charcoal. I thought this was Sensodyne, but yeah. And going on my second box, I ordered this on the 9th of Jan, and today is the 18th of January. It's a Monday, and I'm only getting my order 10 days later. This is the superhero that I actually wanted. It is the omega almond butter, crushed nuts, nothing else. Absolutely love it. I add this in my smoothies. I put this on my rice cakes, so I absolutely love this. I am trying this one for the first time, so let us see how that goes. Second call, I had to take that phone call. I was disturbed by a phone call, but nonetheless, we continue. This is the last box. I forgot what I ordered. Let's open it. Oh, my jump rope. I want to do a jump rope challenge. I think this was, I don't even have like a invoice note something, you know. It's probably in my emails. So I want to do a challenge because I don't know, I just get so tired of running, so I walk, but I really want to do like some serious cardio. So I hope this will do. This is how long it is. It's not bad because I'm short. So that is my video today. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing from Take a Lot. I paid $255 for all it is. 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 Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and come back again for the next video.